Hello everyone, I am welcoming to this video class for your class 8th standard all students. In previous video class inside we learn about the how the synthetic fiber is and how the synthetic fiber is made and types of synthetic fiber. Then afterwards we learn about the information about plastic inside how the plastics is divided in two categories. One is thermoplastic, another is thermosetting plastics. Then afterwards we will learn then properties of plastics and otherwise choice of plastics. This bits we completed about the previous class inside. So today this bits this chapter is going on to continue again. The today's bits inside plastics and environment, how the plastics is harmful otherwise useful of the environments that we want to know. Always plastics is made of the number of the chemicals that are used and this plastic is made of the using the chemicals only. That purpose plastic is harmful for the environments. When this plastics is directly is how the natural things is going on to decompose, that like plastics is can't going on to decompose by the natural process, and plastics want to decompose means so many years means so many years is necessary is that they want to decompose it. So that purpose plastics when is mixing with the soil, it is created by the soil pollution. The soil inside whatever the bacteria is there, that bacteria is going to die. Otherwise soil fertile reducing the soil fertile contains what is there, that is going on to reduce it. And when this plastics is mixing with water inside, that times what will happen, this plastics is creating the polluted of the waters, other water pollution also is creating. When the aquatic organism living in the waters inside, then this plastics inside or whatever the chemicals is there, that chemicals is mixing with waters inside, what will happen, sometimes what is very harmful for the aquatic kingdoms also. So plastics is created problem for the land also, plastics is created by the problem for the water also, and plastics when the open places we are burn the plastics, so many gases are spreading in environments. So that purpose air pollution also is creating, means the totally results what we are saying, that totally overall the plastic is very harmful for the our environments. How is the plastics is environments inside creating the problems that we will learn now, that is land pollution is there, water pollution is there, otherwise air pollution also. This all pollution is harmful for not only human beings, it is created the harmful for the totally overall whatever the living organism is there, that all living organism health purpose, otherwise their life process purpose creating problems. When the living organism got the problems, means what will happen, it is a food chain get the problems. When the food chain is got the problem, means it is going on to nature disturbance, other nature balance disturbance. That purpose totally environments whatever is there, that environment purpose this plastics is totally what is the it is harmful is there. And this next bits we want to going out, the some materials is going on to decompose and some materials is cannot decompose. What that materials is there, that we want to identify, we want to know our surrounding whatever garbage is creating. When the garbage otherwise dustbin inside we observed, there inside two types of the waste materials we are observing. That waste material inside number one is a plant parts, otherwise plant products, the materials we can observing. Another is what is there, when other materials inside which is not made by the plants, otherwise animals. Again plastic like waste materials we are observing, glass like waste materials is available, and then after metals and this like materials also we can wastes we are collecting. So totally waste materials is two categories inside the divided. One is made of the plant products, one is made by natural products, another is made of the human product also, other artificial things also, some are natural things also we consider. The iron is there, otherwise copper is there, again glass is there and plastics is there. Such materials what are collected, and these materials want to decompose by the natural process, means it is going on to long periods and sometimes is creating the problems. And what that materials is there, that we want to know. Our surrounding garbage is two parts inside it divided. One is biodegradable garbage, another is one we want to know non-biodegradable garbage. Biodegradable garbage means what is there? The biodegradable garbage means the material which is going decomposed by natural process. Suppose flower is there, plant leaf is there, dry roots is there, stem parts is there, fruit vester is there, otherwise any cloths is there, any what is the wool part is there. This such materials is going on to decompose by the natural process. Natural process means the which materials is going on to decompose by the using the bacteria and mixing with soil. Such garbages we can called it is biodegradable garbage. Another one important is there inside what the non-biodegradable material. There inside which materials is there? That materials also we are going to know. But non-biodegradable garbage means what? The garbage which is not going on to decompose by the natural process, such garbage we can call it is non-biodegradable. Suppose glass is there, plastics is there, otherwise any metal parts is there. These parts are going on to decompose, means a lot of the time is necessary is there. That time when they decomposing, plastic like such materials when is decomposing by the soils, it is creating the problems, and there inside soil pollution is creating, otherwise land pollution is creating. When the plastic is decomposing by the water inside also the water pollution is creating, and it is harmful for the aquatic organism also. When the open area inside we want to burn the plastics, that time air pollution is creating. Such types of the garbage inside which is not going on to decompose by the bacteria through, such garbages we called non-biodegradable garbage. Then afterwards we are going to know the R principle. R principle means what is there? You know, when we are living the atmosphere inside, otherwise our city area, there inside some principles we want to follow. Some principles means what? That is rules. The rules is very necessary for our life, and what the R rules is there, I will write now. You want to listen carefully. Okay, students. Now we are going to next parts. There we called 5R principle. Means when we want to know we are living in society inside society, some rules and regulations for the every common peoples. Now is thinking you what is the coronavirus disease. This disease we want following some rules and regulation. That rules and regulation is considered one types of principle. So the whatever the rules is saying to that we want to must and should be want to follow it. So that like in plastic inside also, the plastics we want to avoid our societies inside what some rules we want to follow, and how we is going on to the whatever the garbage is there, that garbage how is going on to reduce, that we want to know it. Examples. First, reduce means whatever the materials is there, which is a natural materials is there, that is going on to decompose by a natural process, that is not problem. Which is not going on to decompose, suppose the plastics is not going on to decompose by the natural process, it is creating the pollution. Such a materials what is going to, we want a daily lives inside whatever they using, that that parts we want our daily life inside uses, whatever the use is there, that use it, reduce it, and that place you want to use it other. Suppose we want to enter the market shop inside, there inside what we are always whatever the things we will purchase, vegetable is there, otherwise any cloths is there, any materials we purchasing, we are bringing the carry bags. That carry bag plus we want a cotton plus we are used, otherwise any sack we used. So that times what will happen, this like plastics whatever the things is there, that is going on to reduce. There is a R principle inside, that is the first principle here, reduce means such materials which is harmful for the environments, you should be reduce it. Next, second, reuse. We can second rules what the saying to reuse means that thing one times we used that things, means that place again new things we want to use, that don't want to use. Means one chair, we plastic chair is brought, after that broken means don't want to waste it, throw it, that like that chairs want again reuse, means recycling methods we want to do it. And whenever the metal part is there, other any jewelry is there, otherwise any gold is there, any silver is there, when is that broken afterwards, what will we, that sell, which is a jewelry seller is there, that persons we are, that things we are selling, and afterwards what is using, that materials is again recycling methods is doing. Same plastics also recycling methods we want to do it again, because more waste materials plastics we don't want it, don't want to create maximum percentage, and our daily life inside the plastics whatever the use is there, that we want to reduce it, again that plastics recycling methods we want to do it. Next is third part is there, recycling is we also will learn, reduce and recover. Whatever the things is there, that things plastic things we can adjust it, and environments we don't want to create the polluted, that must and should be want to follow the our principles, means how your society inside, or how your colony inside, how your home inside, such things you are reducing, recycling doing, other recovering doing, means again that things we cannot use there inside. So how do you want to avoiding that things, it is coming on there. Refuse means when the one materials which is broken afterwards, that we are throwing, again that place we are next materials we are bringing it, such materials also we can use it by again, and refuse also means maximum things don't want to use such material, such like our 5R principle, it is very necessary for the every society, everyone, and it is useful for the societies also. And this like our principles we followed, means our colony, our society, our environments we want to take the care, and it is not only one person, it is have the responsibility for everyone who want to take the care of our environments. So this lesson inside what the how the we learn about the synthetic fiber and plastic, this chapter inside, the types of fiber we learn, then afterwards types of plastics also learn, uses of the plastics, and harmful of the plastics, and how you want to take care of our environments. These all things we learn about these chapters, and these chapters and notes will provide for you WhatsApp inside. You can write in your notebooks. Thank you, one and all.